Okay. Now still continue vibrating body or oscillating body. So the special terms associated with the vibrating body or oscillating body. The first one is cycle or vibration. So one complete round trip of the vibrating body about mean position is known as cycle. One cycle or cyclic motion or vibrating motion. Okay. So I can point this term with a simple pendulum, of the spring body. Okay. So I can sketch a simple pendulum. This is a simple pendulum, and I can push it on. Okay, I can push it on this side. Now on this point I release this body. So this body will come on this point, and on this point they can stop and still continue his motion on another side, this side. So these 2 points are the extreme point, because the body repeat itself between these 2 points with respect to this mean position or mean point. So I push it on this point and release from here. The body will reach to this point and still continues his motion and reach to this point. So first, and this will complete and continue. So it back push toward this point. So this is known as one complete round trip or one complete cycle. This one complete round trip of the vibrating body is known as one cycle or one vibration. After this, time period is the second term which is associated with the oscillatory motion or vibratory motion. So time period, the time required to complete one cycle is known as time period. This whole phenomena, this whole journey of the body can take as a little bit time. This time is known as time period, because this period will have done an instant of time. So this instant of time is known as time period of the cycle. Time period is represented by T of the vibrating body. Frequency. The number of cycle per unit time are in 1 second is known as frequency. Frequency measure the number of cycles in 1 second. The number of cycles in 1 second, that how much cycle has done by this pendulum or this vibrating body in 1 second. This is known as frequency. Relation between frequency is represented by F. Relation between time period and frequency. The relation The relation between time period and frequency is inversely proportional. Time period and frequency are inversely proportional. If let's check to this example, okay? If they have a lot of time, if they have a lot of time required to done one cycle of the pendulum, then the frequency of this pendulum is minimum. Okay? If the frequency, if there have been much less time to have done one cycle or vibration, there have the frequency of the pendulum as maximum. They are inversely proportional. Displacement. Distance, displacement and amplitude. Displacement. Displacement, the maximum displacement and amplitude are the same terms. Amplitude, the second one is amplitude. The distance of the vibrating body from mean position is known as displacement. Displacement is represented by x, and amplitude as the maximum displacement. This displacement measure distance and amplitude measure maximum displacement. From mean position. Amplitude is represented by a symbol A. Thank you.